Join me for some relaxed October days today on the Daily Connoisseur. Hello, dear friends. Welcome back. I've been giving myself at-home manicures for a long time now. I have a great system, and it got me thinking about why women like to have their nails looking good. I can't speak for others, but for me, I'm always looking at my hands, whether through housework or writing or typing. I look at my hands all day and I just get a joy from seeing my nails done. I don't always wear polish, but I wear it more often than not. Choosing your manicure is a creative expression. So I relish in this creativity and am inspired by the seasons. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you care how your nails look? Do you get them done at the salon, or do you do them yourself? Let us know in the comments. And now I'm going to share a recipe I actually filmed at the end of the summer, but I'm just now getting around to sharing it. It's perfect timing, however, because this makes a great fall breakfast casserole. Not the type of thing you want to eat every day, but fun every now and then on the weekends, or if you're hosting a brunch with many dishes. This McGriddle casserole is from All Recipes, and I'll link the recipe down below. I first saw it on their YouTube channel. I love Nicole, and she made this there. Take some pancake mix and water and stir it together, and add maple syrup. And then cooked breakfast sausage and bacon that's been chopped into bite-sized pieces. Then add cheese and mix it all together. You're going to bake this until it's golden brown on top and fully cooked. Serve hot with melted butter and maple syrup. This is savory, sweet, and carby, and sometimes it just does the trick. I'm really big on bird watching. I love to feed the wild birds in our back garden, and I'm always keeping my eye out for different varieties of birds that I've never seen before and looking them up in my bird watching book. But I was really excited because the day I was putting this video together, I spotted what I think was a hawk. What is that bird? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at its eyes. I don't even know who I'm talking to. I'm by myself. Because I'm talking to you. Wow. What is that? Look at that guy. Wow. That is a big bird. Oh. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'd like to thank Midi Health for sponsoring today's video. As a woman, if you've ever experienced having health concerns that your doctor couldn't resolve, or if you ever felt rushed or not heard, then Midi Health is going to definitely interest you. Midi is a virtual care clinic on a mission to bring compassionate, high-quality medical care to women covered by insurance. You can enjoy virtual, no-rush visits from the comfort of your home. Midi is accepted by major insurance places in all 50 states. Their clinicians treat women with a variety of health concerns, ranging from perimenopause and menopause to weight and more, and they prescribe necessary medications. You simply add your personal info, book your virtual visit, meet your clinician to discuss your symptoms, and then come up with a personalized treatment plan. I met with my own clinician who was also called Jennifer, and she was so knowledgeable. I asked her all my burning questions about perimenopause. She gave me diet and lifestyle tips, and I took away so many insights and so much information. If you're looking for personalized, compassionate care covered by insurance, then click my link below to book your first Midi visit. And now it's time for tea. Today I'm going to make a healthy raw cookie to enjoy with my afternoon tea. This is a modified version of a recipe I feature in my book, Connoisseur Kids, but I've made it so many times over the years that I just adjust the ingredients and make it a little different each time, depending on what I have. It always turns out well. In a blender, I place around 20 dates, 1 cup of shredded coconut, some melted coconut oil, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, and maple syrup to taste. Then I blend it together until fully combined. I roll the cookies into balls, and as you can see, I'm using gloves, but they're not working. I don't like how sticky these are, but the gloves are failing, my friends, so I continue rolling them out into balls with my hands. Now, they're not very appetizing like this, as they tend to look like large rabbit droppings, so we're going to fix that and roll them in extra coconut so people can get a hint of what's inside them. You can keep them in balls or flatten them out in a cookie shape, whatever you prefer. These keep well in the refrigerator in a sealed container, and they taste like a delightful, healthy fudge. We love them. Today, I'm enjoying them with Earl Grey tea. Delightful. The girls and I need to go to Ulta for a few things. I needed to buy another Clinique moisturizer, and they needed some skincare items. They had a lot of displays for the upcoming Wicked movie. Aren't these bows gorgeous? And finally, friends, while I do some laundry, here are a few quotes on October to ponder as you go about your day. He loved October. He always loved it. There was something sad and beautiful about it, the ending and beginning of things. Jacqueline Woodson, from If You Come Softly. Listen, the wind is rising, and the air is wild with leaves. We have had our summer evenings, now for October eves. Humbert Wolf, from Autumn Resignation. And finally, O hushed October, morning mild, thy leaves have ripened to the fall. Tomorrow's wind, if it be wild, should waste them all. Robert Frost. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to Midi for sponsoring. Follow my link to book your first Midi Health visit and experience personalized, compassionate care for women from your home. Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.